Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, one of the British customs and traditions is the Guy Fawkes Day. So November the 5th is Guy Fawkes Day in Britain. Have you noticed that? I'm just saying November the 5th, although I have written, there is no the, but I'm saying November the 5th. So that's how you're supposed to be saying. November the 5th is Guy Fawkes Day in Britain. All over the country, people build wood fires or bonfires in their gardens. Well, bonfires, bon means in French you say good, right? It could be good fire in their gardens. On the top of each bonfire is a guy. Who is that guy? That is a figure of Guy Fawkes. Yes, that is a figure of Guy Fawkes. It's kind of effigy, right? So people make guys with straw, old clothes, and newspapers. But before November the 5th, children use their guys to make money. Let's say, penny for the guy. They stand in streets and ask for money. The children normally. They just shout, penny for the guy, penny for the guy. Then they spend the money on the fireworks. Yeah, so they buy, with that money, some crackers, some fireworks. Well, but how did this tradition start? Who was Guy Fawkes? And why do the Britain remember him on November the 5th? He was also called Guido Fawkes. Well, the tradition goes back nearly 400 years back, 420 years. So on November the 5th, 1605, Guy Fawkes tried to kill King James I. Guy Fawkes and his friends, well, he and a group of his friends put a bomb under the Houses of Parliament in London. Why? So Guy Fawkes is born in York in England, 1570. But by 1591, there was some religious fights between Protestant England and Catholic. So James I was really a new king, because before that Elizabeth I was a queen of England, as she passed away on the 24th of March 1603. James I has become a king. But unfortunately, King James I was unable to resolve the problems at that time. So there was a rebel, and Guy Fawkes tried to put a bomb under the Houses of Parliament in London. But the King's men found the bomb, and they found Guy Fawkes too. They took him to the Tower of London, and there the King's men cut off his head. So that's what Guy Fawkes Day. It's also called Gunpowder Plot, Bonfire Night, and many various names. So you know now one of the traditions of Britain, Guy Fawkes Day. See you everyone. Bye.